Eggs are one of my most favorite foods to prepare either for breakfast or brunch because they're packed with lots of proteins and they're budget friendly. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare the easiest deviled eggs recipe, which is going to need a few ingredients, and the outcome is going to be absolutely delicious as always. You can serve these delightful deviled eggs either for appetizers or as a party food, and everyone is going to enjoy each and every bite. To prepare these delicious deviled eggs, you'll need a few ingredients which are going to be very basic. Over here, I have 7 free-range eggs. I have some salt, pepper, mayonnaise, some yellow mustard, some mint for decorating my deviled eggs, and water. So I've cleaned the outside of my eggs, and the next step is to boil our eggs to get that hard-boiled egg. So I'm going to move over to my stove top where I've placed a pot over medium-high flame, and then I'm going to be adding in 3 cups of water, cover, and then I'm going to let my water come to a boil. Once the pot comes to a boil, you're going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to your water. The salt is going to make it very easy for you to peel the eggshells once the eggs are done. Then, using a spoon or a slotted spoon just like mine, you're going to carefully place in your eggs into the boiling water and boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you're going to carefully transfer your eggs into a bowl with cold water for around a minute so that it can be easier for you to handle the eggs while peeling. Once your eggs have cooled, you're going to peel your eggs. I'm going to be using a spoon, so carefully I'm going to get my spoon under the eggshell, and it's going to be very easy because we added in some salt while boiling. It has been around 30 seconds and I'm almost done peeling my eggs. The eggshells are coming straight off, just like that. Very easy. So I'm going to clean my working surface a little bit. Now that I'm done peeling my eggs, it's time to cut the eggs in half. So I'm going to pick my chopping board, lay on my countertop, and carefully I'm going to slice the eggs in half. Wow, just look at that yolk. It's super yellow, thanks to my chicken. So very fast, I'm going to finish off cutting my eggs in half. Once done cutting your eggs in half, it's time to add in some seasoning to make our delicious deviled eggs. So in a bowl, you're going to be adding in your egg yolks. And using a spoon, I'm going to carefully remove the egg yolk and transfer into my bowl. Place the egg whites aside, and then I'm going to finish up removing the rest of the egg yolks. It's going to be very easy for you to remove the egg yolks because the eggs are hard boiled. And when done, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, a 1/4 cup mayonnaise, black pepper and salt. Using a fork, I'm going to mash together the mayonnaise, mustard, and the rest of the seasoning until the eggs are fully mashed up. It's going to be very easy for you to mash up your eggs, and it's going to take around 30 seconds. And once done mashing up your eggs, you're going to taste to check if the seasoning is perfect. If it's not perfect, you're going to be adding in more salt and black pepper. For this recipe, you need a piping bag and a nozzle. I'm using a star nozzle. So I'm going to transfer in the eggs into the piping bag. So using a spatula, I'm going to make sure everything is fully combined into the eggs and then transfer into my piping bag. When all the eggs are inside the piping bag, you're going to fill in your egg whites with the delicious, well-seasoned egg yolks. So carefully, I'm going to twist my piping bag so that the eggs can go to the bottom of the nozzle, just like that. And then I'm going to fill my egg whites, which is going to be very fast. And once you're done, the eggs are going to be looking well presented and very delicious. So this is a very nice way that you can serve some appetizers to your guests, and it's only going to take around 30 minutes to prepare everything. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy recipe.